Hey guys, so I have here the JBL TUNE225tws wireless earbuds, and I want to show you how to charge the batteries of these. So first we're starting out with the batteries of the earbuds themselves. And of course you charge them by just putting them into the charging case. But how do you know when it's time to do that? And that's really easy here. When you look at the LED on the earbud, when that starts blinking, then the battery is low. And when you place the earbuds into the charging case, then the LED on the earbuds will turn on as long as they are being charged. So when the LED on the earbuds turn off, then the batteries are fully charged. So for the charging case, it works a little bit different. So underneath the lid we see here these three LEDs in this case, and those indicate how much the battery of the charging case is charged. So the more LEDs you see here on the charging case, the more the battery of the case is charged. And in case there's only one LED turned on and that one is blinking, that means that it is about time to recharge the battery of the case. And in order to do that, we require here, of course, the charging cable. This is here the USB Type-C, and of course, in case you don't have that cable anymore, then you can use any other USB Type-C cable as well. So here we are just going to plug this into the bottom of the charging case, and the other end I am going to plug into the charging cube of my smartphone. Here in this case this is an iPhone cube, but you can use any other smartphone charger that has these USB ports as well. You can also use your laptop, for example, or even some TVs. Smart TVs have USB ports that you can use to charge with. So, and then here I'm going to plug the cube into the outlet. And now if we open up the lid, then we can see here the estimated charging state of the battery. And here you see two LEDs are permanently on and one LED is still blinking. So that means more than 2/3 of the battery are currently charged. And how do you know the battery is fully charged? That's really easy to see. When all LEDs are going to turn off, that means the battery of the charging case is fully charged. In case you're wondering, a full charge takes up to 2 hours for the charging case. And for the individual earbuds, it takes just over an hour for a full charge. And at this point, all we have to do is now remove the charging cable from the case. We want to do this carefully. We just want to pull it straight out so we don't accidentally bend the charging port, because over time this may cause a failure and then you wouldn't be able to charge your batteries anymore. Yeah, so this is already it here. How to charge the batteries of the JBL TUNE225tws earbuds. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave a message below and don't forget to check out my other videos.